Hi children, let's now build multiplication tables of 10. It's a very interesting exercise we will build together. Multiplication tables of 10. Yes, good. Here we are. Let's begin. Look at this box. Look at your fingers, count the number of fingers you have in both hands. 5 plus 5, 10. Very good. Here we have 10 fingers. Yes, good. Now we are building 10 times table. So we write number 10 here. Now we take 10 how many times? 10 taken one time. 110. Okay? 10 taken one time. That is 10 into 1. 10 ones are 10. Very good. So 10 into 1 equal to 10. 10 ones are 10. Very good. What is 10 ones are? 10. Did you enjoy building the first table of 10? 10 ones are 10. Good. Let's take another box of 10 fingers here. Good. So we have two boxes now, 10 and 10. Okay? We have two sets of hands and we have 10 fingers each. Okay. We are building 10 times table, so we write 10 here. And we have 10 taken one time, 10 taken two times. So we write 10 here. How many times are we going to take 10? Two times. 10 taken two times. 1, 2. What is 10 taken two times? 10 into 2. 10 twos are equal to 20. 10, 20. So we write here 10 into 2. 10 taken two times. 10 twos are equal to 20. What is 10 twos are? 20. Good. Now let's take another box of 10 fingers and put it here. Now we have 3 boxes and we have 10, 10, 10, 3 boxes. 3 boxes of 10 fingers each. We are building 10 times table, so we write 10 here. Here, how many times you are going to take? 10. 1, 2, 3 times. 10 taken 3 times. 10 taken 3 times. That is 10 into 3. 10 threes are good. 10 into 3 is 10 threes are 30. Very good. So we write here 10 into 3 equal to 30. 10 threes are 30. What is 10 threes are? 30. Good. Let's take another box of 10 fingers and put it over there. Good. What are we learning? Learning to build 10 times table. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. And there are 10 fingers in each of those. Good. So we write 10 here. And how many times are we taking the 10? We write 10 here. We are taking 10 one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. 10 taken 4 times. 10 taken 4 times. So how will we write down in the box here? 10 into 4. 10 fours are equal to. That's what we're going to write in that box. 10 into 4 equal to 40. 10 fours are 40. What is 10 fours are? 10 fours are 40. Good. Now let's take another box of 10 fingers here. Okay? Now, so we're going to take a new box of 10 fingers here. And now we have total of 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each there are 10 fingers. We are learning to build tables of 10. So we write 10 in this box here because it's a table of 10. And now, how many times are we going to take 10? We are going to take 10 one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. 10 taken 5 times. 10 taken 5 times. How do we write in that box? 10 into 5 or 10 fives are equal to 50. Good. 10 taken 5 times. That is 10 into 5. 10 fives are equal to 50. What is 10 fives are? 50. Good. Now let's take another box of 10 fingers and put it over here. That makes 6 boxes. That means we are taking 10 6 times. Good. We are building the tables of 10. So we write 10 here. How many times we are taking 10? 6 times. 10 taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 taken 6 times. That is, how do we write here? 10 into 6 or 10 sixes are 60. What is 10 sixes are? 60. 10 into 6 equal to 60. Are you enjoying building tables of 10? Let's take another box of 10 and put it over here. There are 10 fingers over here. We are building tables of 10. So we write inside here 10. And now, how many times are we going to take 10? We are going to take 10 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 taken 7 times. What is 10 taken 7 times? 10 into 7, 10 sevens are equal to, that's what we are writing in this box. 10 into 7 equal to 70. 10 sevens are 70. What is 10 sevens are? 70. Are you enjoying building tables of 10? Good. What is 10 sevens are? 70. Let's take another box of 10 fingers and put it over here. That makes 8 boxes. Yes? Now, we are building table of 10. So we write 10 here. And how many times are we taking 10? We are taking 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. 10 taken 8 times. So we write it here. 10 taken 8 times. What is 10 taken 8 times? 10 into 8 or 10 8s are equal to 80. Very good. 10 into 8 equal to 80. 10 8s are 80. What is 10 8s are? 80. Are you enjoying building tables of 10? Let's take another box of 10 fingers and put it here. So we have 9 boxes now. 10 fingers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many times are you going to take 10 now? 9 times. So we write the 10 here. We are building 10 times tables. We write the 10. And how many times are we taking the 10? We are taking 10 9 times. 10 taken 9 times. 10 taken 9 times. We write it as 10 into 9. 10 nines are. Yes? And that's what we're going to write in the box here. 10 into 9 equal to 90. 10 nines are equal to 90. 10 nines are 90. Very good. Now, we are building tables of 10. Let's take another box of 10 fingers and put it over here. Now that makes 10 boxes. Yes? We are building 10 times table. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times table, we write it here. Now, 10 times table. 10 taken. How many times? 10 taken 10 times. What are we writing it here? This is a 10 times table. 10 taken 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 taken 10 times. How do we write that? 10 taken 10 times is 10 into 10. 10 tens are. 10 into 10 equal to 100. Yes. What is 10 into 10? 10 tens are 100. Very good. 10 into 10 equal to 100. What is 10 tens are? 100. 100. Very good. So now we build the tables of 10 together. Let's say the tables of 10 from 1 to 10. Shall we? Here we are. Look. are 10. 10 into 1 equal to 10. 10 ones are, say it, 10. Very good. Next, 10 into 2 equal to 20. 10 twos are 20. Next, 10 into 3 equal to 10 threes are equal to 30. Very good. Next, 10 into 4 equal to 10 fours are 40. Good. 10 into 5 equal to 10 fives are 50. Very good. Next, 10 into 6, that is 10 sixes are equal to 60. 10 sixes are equal to 60. Next, 10 into 7. 10 into 7 equal to 70. 10 sevens are 70. Next, 10 into 8. 10 eights are equal to 80. 10 into 8 equal to 80. What is 10 eights are? 80. 10 into 9. 10 nines are? 10 nines are equal to 90. What is 10 nines are? 90. Very good. 10 into 10. 10 tens are equal to 100. Okay. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. 10 fives are 50. 10 sixes are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 10 eights are 80. 10 nines are 90. 10 tens are 100.